Hello everyone, hope you all are keeping well. In this video, we will learn on the three topics that is, electricity flows in circuits, components and simple circuits, and lastly, switches. What is electricity? Electricity is all around us, and most of us use it every day. It powers our lights, charges our phones, and helps keep us warm. Electricity is a form of energy that can give things the ability to move and work. It is the flow of tiny particles called electrons and protons. Imagine life without electricity today. Various appliances like television, computers, fan, and refrigerator will stop working. There will be no tube lights or bulbs to remove darkness after sunset. Machines in factories will stop working. Electricity has become such an important resource that it is difficult to imagine our lives without it. Electric current. When you turn on an appliance, you are using electricity in the form of electric current. You can think of current as a tiny particles traveling along a path. In the torch, the current flows from one end of the first cell to the other end. Then it flows through the next cell, through the bulb, and back again into the first cell. The complete path of the flow of electric current from the positive terminal of the cell to its negative terminal through all the components is known as an electric circuit. What are cells? A cell is used to produce a small amount of electricity. It is available in different shapes and sizes. The small metal cap at the top of the cell is the positive terminal and the base of the cell is a negative terminal. If you use two cells, you must always put the negative terminal of one cell against the positive terminal of the other cell. Components of an electric torch. There are various components of an electric torch. 1. Case of a torch. 2. Battery. 3. Bulb. 4. Electric circuit. 5. Switch. Let us learn about each component one by one. An electric torch has two or more electric cells. Each electric cell has a positive, which is marked as plus, and negative, which is marked as minus, at both ends of the terminal. They are connected in such a way that positive terminal of one cell is connected to negative terminal of the other. Before placing an electric cell in a torch, you must ensure that positive terminals of a cell is placed along with the positive terminal of a torch. The torch gets the electric energy from these cells. The electric energy is necessary for bulb connected in the circuit to glow. Every torch has a small bulb connected in the circuit which glows to give light. The circuit of an electric torch is controlled by a switch. When switch is on, the circuit is complete and the bulb glows to give light. The components of a torch are enclosed in a plastic body called the case of a torch. Components and a simple circuit. Components of an electric circuit include copper wire, cells, bulbs, and bulb holders. A simple circuit is made up of components such as wire, a bulb, and a cell. In a simple circuit, we have a light, and this light is attached by two wires to a battery. And when all these things are connected in a loop, we say that we have an electric circuit. There are few things that you need to know about these circuits. Firstly, the battery provides the power that causes the electricity to move around the circuit. And this battery, in fact all batteries, have a positive end and a negative end. Electrons are pushed out from the negative end and move towards the positive end, and the wires provide the path that the electrons can move through. Another thing you need to know about this circuit is that it only works if it is closed. If there is a break anywhere in the circuit, like if a wire is broken, then the circuit would not be complete and the light would no longer light up. Switches. A switch is another component in an electrical circuit. We put a switch on or off whenever we want to use or not the electric appliance such as the fluorescent tube, fan, AC, etc. A switch for a bulb is pressed down to complete a circuit and the bulb glows. To put the bulb off, we press the switch up. This breaks the circuit and the bulb glows no more. So, that's the end of our lessons. Hope you have understood the lessons well. See you in the next video.